Hey everyone and welcome back. Subtitles in Descript not matching your audio timing? Let me show you how to fix it on the free plan. First, check your alignment. In Descript, each text line has a gray bar on its right side. Hover over it and drag left or right to adjust when that subtitle appears. This manually corrects timing errors. Second, use the time axis view. Enable the timeline from the top menu. Here you can see each word mapped to audio frames. Drag the text block to the correct position and Descript automatically adjusts. Third, if the entire transcript is off, select all text with Seek to A, then drag the first line to the correct start point. The rest follows. Fourth, for regenerated audio issues, Descript Regenerate feature can break sync. The fix is to manually realign the regenerated section by dragging its text block. Fifth, check your source audio. If your original file has silent gaps at the start, Descript may misalign. Trim the silence using a free tool before importing. Pro tip: free plan limits you to 1 hour of transcription per month. Plan your subtitle projects carefully. And that is it. Manual dragging, timeline view, and clean source audio will fix most timing problems. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.